Welcome back, friends.
Today we're looking at Splashlings.
Yeah.
They look so cute. It's our first time opening some.
Yeah, we didn't open these before.
We haven't opened them before. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna start with the 12 pack and then we also have 6 mystery blind bags. Wow.
Wow. Let's start look at the mermaid.
Okay, let's start by looking at the mermaid. Here's our little mermaid friend. She bends at the hips.
Yes.
It looks like you might be able to set her on the stand. Her hair is kind of soft and squishier than the rest of her.
Yeah.
She's pretty, huh?
Yeah.
Here, come play with me, Emily. Looks like she came with a mystery splashling. Ooh, it's shiny and gold. Wow, it came in this shell. There's a list here, so maybe we can look at who that is. Okay, so we got the pink mermaid with the purple top. So that is Splashly.
Splashlings.
And we got the purple shell, the swirly purple shell. Okay, let's see. Looks like, oh, we got a super treasure. Emmy, we got a super treasure. That's the craziest, rarest ones ever. Look, it's right here. That's the one we got, the gold one. Yay! We got a super Splashling treasure. Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, let's see. There's another one in here. So we have the blue shell. Ooh, it's silver. Okay, let's see. It's a little fish with a pointy nose. There it is. And that's an ultra rare. See? Right there. Cool. All right, let's see what other stuff we have. We have lots. They're a little bit squishy. This crab is kind of fun to play with. Whoa! They're flying out of here. They're everywhere. So we had a little manta ray that popped out and flew across the room. Oh my goodness. I wonder if, okay, so they have names. Let's see. This is Wiggles, Clyde Glide. Woo! And we got the rare version of Clyde Glide.
Yeah.
We got a pufferfish, a green one. Let's see, these are fash fish, and this is penny puffs. And we got the common penny puffs.
Yes.
Oh, this looks like a trident. Whoa, it's kind of cool. Okay, it's a treasure pet, and it's Trudy Trident. And this is the common version. Here's our little crabby crab. Oh, so cute. The little crab is in the swell shells section. And the name is Claudette. And this is a rare Claudette.
Yeah.
We got a purple shark from the Fin Friends section. And this one is Tommy Teeth. And Tommy Teeth, the purple version, is common. We also got another one of these corals, and these are called ocean gems. And this one's name is Coralina. So we already got the crazy awesome super treasure version. What? And then we also got a common version. They're so cute.
Yeah.
And then last but not least, we got this little cute, adorable, cuddly purple bear in the hip flips section. And this one is common. And this is a Cuddles. Oh, it's so sweet.
Cuddles.
Cuddles, do you like Cuddles?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so now we have our blind bags left. Emily, why don't you pick the blind bag and we'll open it. All right, let's see what these Splashlings blind bags are all about.
Whoa.
Cool. All right, so those are the ones you can get, or maybe not. Those are some options. And you get 2 Splashlings per bag. All right, here we go. I like the bags, they're cute. They look like bubbles. Uh-oh, we might need scissors. Let me get some scissors. Okay, we have the scissors. Ready? Ready? She's so ready, she's speechless. Wait, what is inside? I feel a list. Oh, there's another list. got a seal, looks like. And this is Sir Claps-a-Lot. That's cute, Sir Claps-a-Lot. And this is the purple one, and that one is common. So here's Sir Claps-a-Lot, Emmy. And then we got this beautiful sparkly crown. Wow! So this is one of the treasures, and it's a Cory crown, and it's another super treasure! Oh, it's two super treasures! Yay!
Super treasure.
They're so cool. Let's see if it fits on the mermaid. It's bendable, so it might. Oh, no. Oh, there we go! Yay! I'm the queen of the mermaid. Whee! Alright, pick another one, Emmy. This one? Alright, here we go. More Splashlings. I'm sorry, guys. These are adorable. You like these? They're so cute. Ooh. Okay, so we got it. Looks like a whale.
Wheel.
It's a whale, and this one is called Big Bob, and this is the rare version because it's pink and orange. Big Bob. And the second one we got in that one looks like a cute little striped fish. Aww, that's so sweet. And the fish is called Wendy Wings. So it must be a flying fish. This is a flying fish, Emmy. Cool.
Fish.
This is a common version. There, play with the flying fish. Okay, let's pick another blind bag. This one. Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go.
You almost got one.
No, I didn't. It's another puffer fish. Yay! Is it the same kind?
No.
Yep. We got a duplicate puffer fish. Blue, 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 blue. Aw, they're so happy and friendly.
But I want to give one to my mommy.
Oh, I'm your mommy, silly. Oh, wow, we got another treasure. Cool, let's see what this is. Are you making the pufferfish kiss my head? Okay, this is Serena Scepter. And this one is, it's another super treasure! Ah, we got 3 super treasures! Yay!
This is a super treasure.
That's not a super treasure. But this one is, so Serena Scepter that we just got is a super treasure.
Whoa.
Cool, hi, she's so cute. She looks like an angel. A sea angel. All right, we need another bag. That one.
Ooh.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go, here we go now.
Wow. You almost got your hands.
No, I'm good. I'm smart. Here we go. Who do we get? Oh, we got another tiara. It's the pink one. This one is common, and her name once again is Cory Crown. So if you want your little mermaid to wear a pink crown, now we have a pink crown. Yay!
Two duplicates.
It's not a duplicate because this one's pink and that one's gold. Oh, I am the double queen because I have 2 tiaras. Neener, neener, neener. Cool.
Cool.
We also got in that one, looks like a dolphin. How fun. Okay, the dolphin is called Ollie Orca. Oh no, it's not a dolphin. It's an orca. That's a killer whale. Killer whale. And we got the rare version, the teal color. Whoa, sea friends are dropping everywhere. Okay, we only have 2 more packs, Emily. Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Hey, I'm flying in the camera.
Flying fish.
Flying fish. Hey, I'm a shark too.
Okay, wow, what is this thing? Oh, it's an octopus.
What's octopus?
So we got the common Ellie 8. Oh, I'm an octopus. Oh, hi, mermaid friend. Woo. We also got another Cuddles. Yay, we got the pink one. So that means we got the rare one. Where's the other Cuddles? I want them to cuddle together. Oh, Cuddle. Okay, we're down to 1 more Splashlings Blind Bag. Blind bag. Blind bag. Sounds like I'm underwater. Okay, so it's our last 2 Splashlings. We got another crab. It's the same one.
Yeah.
Where's the other one? Yay! We're crab friends. And we got another Manta Ray, but this one, whoops, they are flying everywhere. Okay, this Manta Ray is purple. How cool! So the purple one is, oh, where did it go? Where did it go on the list? I lost it. Clyde Glide, and this one's the common one. Cool, so we got some really cool Splashlings. Let's show everybody.
Yay, Splashlings!
Yay! This is so fun. I loved them. I love all of our special ones, the Super Treasures. We got 3 today. What? What's your favorite one?
I like all of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
I don't blame you. They're so cute and fun. They're like under the sea Shopkins. Yay, Splashlings! Thanks for watching.
Bye.